Hello! Welcome to your science activity. Today we are doing an activity that links to our lesson on chemical and physical change. We have been talking about different types of chemical and physical change. Today we are going to be making lemonade. That's why I'm in front of a bunch of lemons. Did you know that making lemonade is an example of a physical change? Why? Because it does not change the molecular structure of the ingredients when you mix it. You mix water, sugar, and lemons together, and it does not change the molecular structure. It simply mixes the ingredients. And yes, at the end of this, you have a different product. The molecular structure of the individual ingredients has not been changed. Let's do this activity together. Hello! Welcome to your science lesson activity. This activity goes along with your lesson about chemical and physical change. Today we are going to read a story called Let's Make Lemonade, and we are in my kitchen at my house, and we are going to make lemonade together while we read this story. The title of this story is Let's Make Lemonade. It was written by Karen Mockler and illustrated by Chris Bodwell. Let's start reading. On our title page, we see the title, Let's Make Lemonade. We also see a picture that gives us an idea about what this story is going to be about. We see a mom and her two children, and it looks like they're making lemonade together. They had 3 glasses with ice in them. Let's start reading. It is so hot today. We're thirsty for a cold drink. Oh, wow. If you look at this picture, you can see the little boy is sweating and the little girl is laying in the grass. They are so hot. Let's make a cold drink. Let's make a sweet drink. Oh, and she's imagining and he's imagining. They're thinking of a glass of cold lemonade. Let's turn the page. Let's make lemonade. Let's make it in this pitcher. All right, so that's the first thing we need to make lemonade. We need a pitcher. So I have a pitcher also. Pitcher. Add cold water and white sugar. So we need water and sugar. Let's start with water. I think that's plenty of water, especially since I'm only one person. All right, so I have my water, and now I'm going to get my sugar. Let's see, I'm going to get my measuring cup. It has Minnie Mouse on it. This is 1/3 cup of sugar. 1/3. So 3 of these would equal 1 cup of sugar. Remember, we want this lemonade to be very sweet, which means Miss Bo can't drink it. But that's okay. I'll find somebody else to drink it. So we need 3 of these because we want 1 cup of sugar. Help me count out 3/3, which is 1 cup. All right. 1, 2, 3. 3 1/3 is equal to 1 cup. All right. We're going to close that back up. Woo! We're going to put that away. We're going to cover up our sugar. Something really important to do when you're doing an activity at home or you're baking or cooking is to clean as you go so that you don't have a big mess at the end. Let's keep reading. Right now we have a pitcher, and that pitcher has water and sugar in it. Roll and cut the lemons. Squeeze the lemons. Okay, so now we are going to take our lemons, and I only need 2 because it's just me. All right, and we are going to cut them. I have this safe knife that has a cover on it. We're going to roll the lemons. Roll the lemons, roll the lemons. And then we are going to cut them. Make sure that you don't do this by yourself. If you have an adult at your house, you want to make sure that they help you cut the lemons. So we're cutting the lemons. All right, we cut our lemons in half, and now we are going to squeeze our juice into our measuring cup. All right, so I'm going to take the lemon and I'm going to squeeze the juice out. Now, if you have a lemon juicer at home, that would probably be great. I don't have one of those. I don't often make lemonade. All right, I'm squeezing all the juice out, and I think I did a pretty good job without the lemon squeezer. All right, see? I'm going to do that with all 4 pieces, because remember, I started with 2 whole lemons. I cut each lemon in half, and that gave me 4 parts. All right, we're squeezing out all this juice. All right, squeezing out my 3rd part. Squeezing out all the juice. It smells really great. It smells very lemony. Last part. Squeezing out all the juice. Nice. I think I did a pretty good job getting all the juice out of those lemons. All right, I'm going to throw these away because I'm going to make sure I clean as I go. And then I'm going to take my cutting board and I'm going to put it in the sink because I'm done cutting. I'm going to take my knife and I'm going to put it in the sink because I'm done cutting. So now you have lemon juice and you have a pitcher of water with sugar in it. Let's see what we need to do next. Spot the lemon seeds. Pick out all of the seeds. All right, let's do that because I noticed when I was squeezing these lemons that lots of seeds got in the juice. So let's work together to pick out these lemon seeds. All right, let's see. I have 1, 2, and 3. I have 3 lemon seeds. That's not too bad. I'm washing my hands because the lemon is sticky and the sugar's sticky too. Okay, let's see what our next step is. Stir the lemonade with a long spoon. Okay, so we are going to take our lemon juice and we are going to add it to our hot water, or I'm sorry, cold water. We're mixing the juice in. And then I don't have a spoon, so I'm going to, oh, that doesn't fit. I was going to use a spatula to stir my lemonade with this long wooden rolling pin instead of a spoon because the top of my pitcher is really narrow. So I have this long rolling pin. Yes, there are Mickey Mouse heads on it. And I'm going to use it to stir my lemonade. All right, here we go, stirring my lemonade. Stirring it, stirring it, stirring it. I wonder how long I'm supposed to stir it. Let me keep stirring it while we read. Stir the lemonade with a long spoon. Don't spill the pitcher. Lemonade is sticky. Oh, it's so funny that they say that because I don't know if you noticed, but when I started stirring the lemonade, I got lemonade all over the counter. It seems like it's not just me who did that. The little boy did it in the story too. But it is sticky and now it's all over my counter. I'm going to have to clean it up. All right, so now it looks like they have glasses with ice in them. So I have this glass with ice in it. Our drinks look cold. Our drinks look sweet. That's exactly what they wanted. Do you remember from the beginning of the story? So I'm going to put this lemonade in this glass. We're so thirsty for our lemonade. All right, let's see if this lemonade is any good. okay. You should try making this at home and see if you can do a better job than I did. All right, thank you for joining me for your activity that goes along with your science lesson. I will see you guys next time. Bye.